Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Nothing Phone 1. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use this app, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on a Nokia smartphone. Accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, just receive on Nothing Phone and send on Nokia. Now you need to tap on all of those dots and just send over here. This way you will be able to choose all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on got it. Now on Nothing Phone, just no thanks. Close this window and now we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon over here. Then selecting while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and click on Receive button. Now as you can see, after a while, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!